This is Opahville at the Dead End Duck Club, Opah's Dead End Duck Club. This is pond 2, and this is where the big island was. It was so steep you couldn't safely mow it with a tractor, and I dug it out last year. And if we turn around and look north, that island has a pole on it. That's where nesting box number 7 goes, and we're going to put that out right now. So we'll see how that goes. This is called a jet sled and belongs to Vernon, and we use it here a lot to pick up decoys, carry decoys out, move stuff around on water. So the nesting box number 7, it's only the 2nd year we've used it. All the others we've used 3 years, but we had so much success I built another one last year and put it out, this one. See how it goes. I'm just wearing waist waders. This water shouldn't be too deep, instead of chest waders. I actually like the stocking waders better, but these are easier to put on and take off more quickly. There were spoonies in here that we spoon-billed ducks, spoonies that flushed when I came in here in this pond. Small group of them. This was the old levee between 2 ponds. This island, you see, is what's left of it. Continues on there to the east. When they combined these 2 ponds, they left some of it for islands. So you can see this is in the shade now, which is exactly what we want. Check it out. Here's the metal screw. So that needs to go to the back side where it's not, well, there's 2 of them. That's good. It's not gonna turn, it's in the ground good. We'll see if we can put in maybe another one. That's not going to do it. Need a different drill bit. Found that one. That one's not, doesn't cut it. So the wood shavings is already in here. Put that in before he brought it out. See, wood shavings here. See if we can get it up on that pole. Got to do. Nice to already have the pole here. Oh, there's a bunch of teal and a couple of spoonies with them. I'll put this up over here. Might have to loosen that up a little bit. Fit that and get that, move that out. Half inch. a little bit. Looks like it's plenty loose. It just needs to come out some. If it does anything, should have brought a hammer. There we go. Cinnamon teal, beautiful. One of the prettiest ducks, cinnamon teal, just gorgeous. Cinnamon, drakes are cinnamon colored. Can't tell the hens from a blue-winged teal. They look the same, exactly the same. Let's get our 1/2-inch wrench here. Tighten this up. Tilting forward a little bit so the baby ducks can get out. Pretty high off the ground. I had a problem with this nesting box last year. We had a big wind and the lid blew off. So I came out here and put the lid back on. I'm not sure the ducks stayed here after that. There were eggs in it, but I don't recall if any of them hatched or not. All 7 of the nesting boxes were used last year, but not all of them were successful. I'll explain to you a little bit about nesting box number 3 later on. That's tight, so it's not going to turn. This is about as tight as you're going to get it here. Perfect. So let's look here. We're getting a little close with the growth, aren't we? So brought some, you can see the lid is tied on with cable ties. They're UV resistant, 2 of them. You can take it off and look at it, you know, check it. So I don't see any praying mantis egg cases on these, so I think we're good. I don't think any predator is going to be able to get onto that. You know, I put the wrong nesting box here. This is number 5. It's supposed to be number 7. I'll mark that down. Nesting box number 5. And we'll put 7 over where 5 should be. Hear that? Duck flying somewhere. Well, this is pond number 1. Look at the round stem. It looks really good. It's tules. It's not cattails. We don't have any cattail in here. We kill it if it comes in here. This is all tules. All round stem. You know, you can control the weeds pretty good, but the problem is it floods here. And every time it floods, it brings in a whole new crop of seeds, a whole new crop of weeds. All the cocklebur burrs will float in, and the other weeds. So on that, this is nesting box number 5 instead of 7. Oops, my fault.